Okay, we have a Golf GTI. I'm just gonna pass through. If you want to see in detail view, there's a review on my channel. This is the back. I like this exhaust, LED lights. Now there's also here a Volkswagen UP GTI. Now I haven't seen this. There's a spoiler. There's actually a pipe below GTI on the back. Wow, I like the interior. I like this. This is pretty cool. It's quite different. I like how it looks. It's a small car, but it really looks special. GTI. This is a 3-door version. Now, if you look inside, you have a manual. Let me try focusing on this. 6 gears GTI. It's pretty cool. And I'm just afraid it has a poor, lack of soundproof. But if it's a sports car, I don't know how much horsepower does this have. It has 115 horsepower, so it's just a GTI look. It's a show-off car. It doesn't have really that much power, but since it's small, it probably does run good. Fast, it's an EP. This is the weird speedometer. You have little controls here, and I just like this. I like the GTI and the colors. The rest, the seats looks basic, and there's some space for the kids on the back. You do have here, I guess, a navigation that's separated, so you have the USB so you can attach it. But I like this detail, it's pretty cool.